Today, we're discussing how to re-enter the U.S. using the ESTA system after your L1A visa has expired. This guide is especially for those who've worked in the U.S. on an L1A visa and need to return for a short visit. In this video, we'll cover several key topics. These include understanding the typical scenario you might face, the key considerations when applying for ESTA, addressing common concerns, the best advice for a smooth entry, and a disclaimer. To set the stage, let's consider a scenario where someone, say an Irish citizen, has previously worked in the U.S. on an L1A visa. Once their employment concluded, they left the U.S., respecting the 60-day grace period. Now they're wondering if they can return to the U.S. for a brief visit using ESTA. Several considerations come into play for entering the U.S. on an ESTA. First, understand that your L1A status doesn't automatically exclude you from ESTA. They're separate entry authorizations. There is also no specified cool-off period. When applying for ESTA, it's critical to demonstrate eligibility. You must show you're a legitimate visitor who's planning to leave after the allowed stay. Now it's quiz time. What is not required by law before re-entering the U.S. on an ESTA? Your options are A. Cool-off period, B. Medical examination, C. Travel insurance. You can pause the video now to think about the answer, and we'll discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is a cool-off period. No such period is legally required before you can re-enter the U.S. on an ESTA after having an L1A visa. Here is the best advice for ensuring a smooth entry to the U.S. Firstly, honesty and transparency with CBP officers is essential. Be clear about your previous visa status and reasons for visiting. Secondly, carry all required documentation, such as your passport, ESTA authorization, proof of a return ticket, and accommodation details. Lastly, plan a short visit within the 90-day cap allowed by ESTA. It's important to mention that the information provided in this guide is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. If you have specific questions or circumstances, please consult with a legal expert or immigration lawyer. In summary, returning to the U.S. on an ESTA after an L1A visa expiry is entirely feasible with the right planning. By demonstrating genuine intent as a visitor and providing necessary documentation, you enhance your chance of a successful entry. Clear, consistent information is key. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process. Feel free to drop your comments below, and please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more invaluable insights and travel tips.